Everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can skip introduction movie or introduction cinematic, how it's called, introduction movie in the beginning of your game in Call of Duty. So what you want to do is be in settings in Call of Duty, and you're gonna see it right here in general, skip introduction movie, and you just want to click here on enable. Skip the introduction movie that plays every time the game is started up. So I recommend it like enabled and have it disabled, the introduction movie, so you don't get like all the time the same cinematic. Yep, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah, goodbye.